excellent education platform, child's license to be creative, continual commitment to quality education, best tools to prepare for life. All these and more at Nikita Matriculation School. Welcome to Nikita Matriculation School. The focus of Nikita Matriculation School is simplification of education systems and inspiring pupils to achieve more, besides helping them to blossom into productive citizens, transforming them into leaders towards the betterment of our country and society as a whole. Located in the outskirts of Coimbatore at Tekalur, 25 kilometers away from the Coimbatore airport, comprising over 17.275 acres of land, Nikita Matriculation School is set in an environment where most children of this locality are deprived of basic education. This triggered us in the establishment of a new school in this region, thereby stimulating children to thrive in their area of interest. Numerous industries envelop this vicinity, making it a lot more expedient to admit children of staff members employed in these industries into our school. Besides, the proximity of several institutions of international standards supports our visionary idea of setting up an institution that offers global standards. To begin with, here is our biggest asset, our classrooms. A distinct block for primary and nursery children is exclusively designed for classes starting from LKG to class 5, helping them to develop a positive attitude towards learning and to mix easily with other children. An academic block is extensively allotted for classes from standard 6 to 12 for promoting quality education. Another striking feature of our school is that all classrooms of our school are air-conditioned. We take pride in the fact that our classrooms are deployed with cutting-edge Wi-Fi capability, digital projector, making it truly digital classrooms of the 21st century. Classes from LKG to Standard 9 commence from the first year onwards. Administration block. A fully air-conditioned administration block forms the reception hall, enclosing front lobby and waiting hall for the parents and visitors. Besides, a conference-cum-meeting and training hall is meant especially for our staff members, and rooms are allotted exclusively to accommodate our administrators. Arts Center. The Arts Center, fostering classical fine arts, is commenced with the objective of offering art and design education in an environment nurturing creativity to maximize individual potential. A centrally air-conditioned audiovisual room, integrated with fully outfitted speakers, is packed with a seating capacity to house up to 100 individuals inside the campus. Besides, a dedicated state-of-the-art internet facility offered round the clock enables our students stay connected to high-speed network connection anywhere in our school campus at all times. Library and laboratory. Our students enrich their knowledge by applying theoretical knowledge through scientific experiments conducted in an air-conditioned computer lab furnished with some of the latest PC systems and peripherals. A well-equipped laboratory designed distinctively for physics, chemistry, biology and mathematics forms an excellent practical learning environment. Accommodation and cafeteria. A well-outfitted accommodation catering to the needs of our staff members is offered to both the teaching and non-teaching staff community of our school. Besides, our hygienic cafeteria imparts fresh and nutritious food for children to savor the rewards of sound health. Sports Academy. Sports and games keep our students buzzing with excitement as the students are given ample opportunities to nurture, leadership qualities. They comprise a glittering swimming pool, separate playground for cricket, football, hockey, volleyball and basketball, lawn tennis court, shuttle, badminton, table tennis, snooker, besides separate gymnasium for boys and girls, track and field events. For kids aged below 7 years, a play area with a gamut of indoor games integrating board writing, puppet show, seesaw, mini swimming pool, etc. form a conducive environment that kindle their learning skills. Transport facilities. A complete network of transportation facility is incorporated at various points covering the major areas around the school in order to enable easy accessibility for our students. E-Link. Parents are kept abreast of their ward's progress at school through online methods including email, instant alerts, and SMS facilities. The great end of life is not knowledge but action. Therefore, knowledge begins at Nikita Matriculation School.